Okay, so this is a banga, or also known as lead oil. So, Mr. Bashu, the smaller one is how much?
Smaller one, 8,000.
How much?
8,000.
8,000 naira. So, as you can see, people, how many liter is that?
2 liters.
As you can see, people, 2 liter is 8,000 naira. That is lead oil. So, the other one is how many liter?
This one are 4 liters.
This is 4 liter. How much is it?
This one are 16,000.
16,000.
Yes, sir.
4 liter, 16,000.
Yes, sir.
Wow. This is it. This is 4 liter. 16,000 naira. Why the 2 liter?
Now
8,000 naira. Okay. All right. So show them of kings. Let them know how much king also.
Okay.
So
This one are 5 liters.
5 liter. How much is it?
20,000.
20,000. Can you turn it? Let them see. 20,000 naira.
Yes.
Is that the last price?
Yes.
No reduction.
All of them at last price.
20,000. Okay. That one is how much?
This one are 3 liters.
3 liter.
Yes.
How much?
This one 13,000.
13,000. 3 liter is 13,000. Why the 5 liter is 20,000?
20,000.
Okay. So the other one is how much?
And this one 2 liters.
How many liter?
2 liters.
2 liter.
Yes.
How much?
9,000.
9,000 naira. Okay. People, as you can see, if you are buying 2 liter of king vegetable oil, it's 9,000 naira. Why the 3 liter is 13,000, and then 5 liter is 20,000 naira. Okay. Look at them. Okay. So the other, show them golden penny. How much is golden penny? That golden penny. Yes, that one is golden penny, not kings. How much is it?
This one are 13,000.
How many liter?
2.75.
2.75.
Yes. Very 3 liters.
13,000.
Yes.
That's the last price.
Yes.
Okay. So this is golden penny pure soya oil,
Yes.
2.75 liter, and it goes for 13,000 naira. Okay. All right.